Hi everyone, it's Laura Milligan, and I am so excited to share with you my August Heartfelt card class to go. And this month it is featuring the Whale of a Times product suite from our annual catalog. This is a great suite full of really bright, beautiful colors. It reminds me of the sea, of course. And let me just tell you what's involved in the class. So I have two options. The first option is actually the best deal, and it includes the stamp set, well done, and the bundle, or I'm sorry, and the punch, and that is priced at a bundle price, so you save 10% when you purchase that. It also includes the seabed embossing folder. This is a really fun embossing folder with seaweed, and there's some starfish on it, and coral and that kind of thing. Perfect for this suite of products. And then you're going to receive a full pack of the Whale of a Time 6x6 Designer Series paper. And let me just flip through quickly and show you some of the patterns. This sheet with the whales, this is really great because all of these larger whales, coordinate with the punch. So you don't have to fussy cut a thing. You can just punch these out with your punch. Love this paper with the swirl of fishes and the waves. There's some more whales. It's fun. Some fish. The colors are really fun. Here's some sea turtles. Some more sea turtles. Really just fun, bright, beautiful colors. So you will also get that, a full pack of that as part of your class kit. And then if you choose option 1, I am including the the Flowers for Every Season gems for free. I'm not adding anything additional for those. That's just as a thank you to you for purchasing this class. Then what I will include is 6 card kits. I have designed 3 super cute cards, and you will get the kits to make 2 of each of those. No matter which option you choose, you'll get the card kits to make the 3 different cards, 2 of each. So it's a total of 6 different cards. And let me just show you a little sneak peek. This one, you can really see the embossing folder on there. At least I hope you can. That's kind of a simple but really cute card. We're going to do a shaker card. If you've never done a shaker card, they are so much fun. And then this card, which features a window sheet as the card base. So that's kind of different and also fun. So again, you'll get the supplies to make 2 of each of those cards. Now, if you already have this bundle, if you already have the Well Done stamp set and punch, I have option 2, which is what you would want to select. But you do need that bundle to complete the cards in this class, so make sure you have that. And you should only choose option 2 if you already do have that bundle. So option 2 includes the embossing folder, the full pack of designer paper, and then the Flower for Every Season gems. And then of course the card kits to make the 6 cards, 2 each of 3 different designs. And so option 1, I forgot to say, option 1 is $63. That's for the big bundle that includes everything. Option 2, this option is $35. And you will need to provide a couple things in addition to what you get in the class. The Calypso Coral ink pad, Pretty Peacock ink pad, and Just Jade. Just those 3 inks. Those are the only ones that I used for the class. And then you'll need to provide your own clear blocks, of course, and your adhesives. And because we're doing a shaker card, I strongly recommend our adhesive strips. And they make creating a shaker card so easy. And if you don't have these, you may want to add them on. You can add them on to your class. Just send me an email after you register for the class, and I can add that on to your class fee. But this, I think, is it's going to make it really easy to create your shaker card. So the class registration begins August 1st and goes through August 14th. I will order the supplies on August 15th for all the class registrants, and then I will get them out in the mail towards the end of the following week. So I hope you will participate in this class. I'm super excited about it. I think the projects are adorable. I know you'll have fun creating them. I will include a PDF tutorial for each project, and I always make a video so that you can actually stamp right along with me. I take you step by step through every part of creating these cards, so you can follow right along. You can stop and start the video as need be, and it's a great way to stamp. It's almost like you're here in your studio with me, but at safe social distancing. So registration, like I said, begins August 1st, and I will include a registration link in the comments or in the details below in this video. And if you have questions, feel free to email me at lauramilligan.com. I hope you'll consider registering for this class, and as always, I hope you have time to be creative today. Thanks so much, friends.